Hello, welcome back to the channel where we cover all things WooCommerce. And in today's video, we're going to give you a tutorial about discount managers. There's many of them out there. In this video, we're going to have one that is calendar based. Not very many of them out there have that feature. So let's dive right in. Here we are, just a WordPress dash. Now there's tons of discount manager plugins out there, but none really give you the ease of the plugin that I created. And you'd have to go to my website and download it. It is a premium plugin, so it's going to cost you some money, but it's going to save you so much time, pain, and headaches. So all you need to do is after you install it, go over WooCommerce and Sales Scheduler. And here we are in the discount manager. You can schedule discounts from here, and we'll start from February. We'll start on February 1st. Just click the day, add a simple sale, create, and now you can start adding the products you want to discount here. So we'll add a cap, and let's look at a hoodie. Now you can add the whole category of hoodies, or we can add the whole, or all the variations of this hoodie. So your variable products, you can just add them all here in one button. Now we can change all these at one time here. We can put a fixed amount, discount percentage, or set a fixed price. So this will decrease it by $5. Apply. This will decrease it by 5%. And this one will set them all at $10. Just like that. This is a serious time saver and will make your life very easy for you. You can set the start and end date from here as well. So if we want to extend it out there, hit save. And there you go. You created your first simple sale. Now, if you want to duplicate that at some point in time in the future, you can just hit either duplicate or copy and say we want to do it at the 1st of March. Paste. And there you go. You've duplicated that sale. This is a serious time saver and just overall helpful. Now there's other sales types that we have here. We can click free product. So in a free product, we'll create one real fast. We'll give it a name, cap, and then we'll set the required amount, $200. And now we can set up so they get a free cap after they spend $200. You can add products that will exclude from that $200 if you want. And you just hit save. And now we have our free product. We want to sort it or move it to a different date. We can do it as easy as that. Next thing we can add is a total spent. Total spent, we'll hit create. Give name 200. If they spend $200, you can set a fixed discount or percentage. We'll give them $10 off. And again, you can exclude products or categories that you like. Hit save. And there we have it there. And let's extend it out. The next discount type is buy X, get Y. So here we can say if you buy a cap, you can get a belt for free. And then you can set the discount amount if you want. Again, set the end date, save, and there you go. Now, if you're not sure what you want to put on sale, let's go here in the future, click this day. We can create automatically, and this will pull based on sales and inventory status, so how much you have, how little you have, to make sure you have enough product, and maybe you have too much of some products, and you just add it like that. And then the last sale type that we have is bundle discounts. Now, if you have the AutoWP bundler, you can then schedule one to be on sale. So 3D printer, select, hit save. Now you have this 3D printer, and we'll show you all bundles. And you create those bundles here if you have that plugin. You don't necessarily need this plugin because you can use the buy X, get Y to do something similar. This plugin just adds a frequently bought together section on most of your products, and you can control a discount version of that here. I just linked it into our sales calendar because it makes sense that our plugins talk to each other. And an example of that to do something more like a bundle is that you can add a hoodie with a zipper. You can still use a percentage, lower it to 30 and do it that way. The other plugin gives you more flexibility than just doing it this way. So benefits to both, but if you don't want to get the other plugin, you don't have to. And now you can simply delete them from here as well, and it just makes your discounting process far easier than any other plugin out there. Now I've changed some of the sales, so we're now on the front end. As you see, we have a nice little section here that says add another $47 or $74 and you get a cap for free. And if we add a product, that will change to you only need $58. Now we can change how this looks and everything from the calendar right up here. And for your product, you can add a progress bar and change the color here. Save. Now let's refresh. And now we have a progress bar. So if we add another item, you'll see it change. And if we add another item, it will change again. Now you can get your free cap. Let's remove that from the cart. Now you qualify for the free cap and they can get that for free. So let's change the sale to sorry, not the regular sale. Total spent, we'll move that out. They work together, so if you want to have them both, you can do so. And the same thing, it tells you the discounts and you change the colors and everything from up here. And the progress bar. There you go. You can copy the short code and display it wherever you like. You can change where they're positioned. And you can also change all the badging and whatnot from the buy one, get one as well. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.